Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering, here to show you how to install the clutch slave cylinder guard for the 2023 KTM and Husqvarna 4-stroke models. Okay, so the first step is going to be removing the stock chain guide here. So take an 8mm and take that bolt out. And then the other bolt is going to be inside the airbox. So go ahead and pull the airbox cover off. You're going to access that bolt right here. Okay, so this one's going to be a 10mm. So just go ahead and take 10mm and loosen that one up. And take that bolt all the way out. And then you're going to be able to pull the chain guide off and set that off to the side. Okay, you're also going to want to remove the two other bolts here on the slave cylinder. So just take that same 8mm and pull both those bolts out. You're going to replace them with some that are in your kit, so you won't need these. You can set them to the side. Okay, so now you're going to want to get your slave cylinder guard over the slave cylinder here, but you're going to want to make sure that you get this wire here inside the guide on the slave cylinder guard. So from the factory they got a little zip tie here having all the wires connected. Go ahead and cut that. That way you can put this wire where it needs to be. Just make sure you get it inside that groove and then slide it over the slave cylinder here. Take two of the provided hex head bolts, thread it into the bottom, and then this top bolt, you're going to want to take the knockdown bar and insert that. There's a part number in it. You're going to want to make sure that that faces inward on the bike. So flip that over. The slotted side is going to be up at the top. Feed this through, and then feed your last mounting bolt through the guard, through the knockdown bar, and then into the case. Okay, then you're going to want to tighten this down. Make sure that you tighten it evenly. So just slowly rotate between each bolt. That way it evenly presses it back in until you've got it all the way tight. Okay, so now that you've got the guard on here, on the knockdown bar, take the provided clip nut and slide that over the knockdown bar on the slotted hole. And then take your chain guide here with the longer portion facing towards the back of the bike, and then just follow the angle of the subframe with that. And then you've got this washer here that's going to go between this chain guide and the frame. And hold that in place while you slide the provided bolt through the frame, through the washer, and then tighten it into the clip nut that's on the knockdown bar. And then just take 10mm and tighten that up. Making sure that that chain guide stays in position. Hold it with your other hand while you tighten it up. And then make sure you get your air cover back on. Okay, so that's how you install the clutch slave cylinder guard on the 2023 KTM and Husqvarna 4-stroke models. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com.